Picture this. A flight gets cancelled at the gate. Suddenly, 180 passengers need rebooking. Some with wheelchair assistance, some unaccompanied minors, families that must stay together, gold members who can't be downgraded, tight connections slipping away. Gate staff have few minutes, not hours, to maximize passenger satisfaction at minimum cost to the airline. For this, we trained a Qwen 2.5 3 billion parameter LLM on exactly this task, driving the training loss from 0.91 down to 0.07, a 92% reduction. In airline industry, flights get cancelled more often than airlines like to admit, and every bad rebooking costs real money and goodwill. Our agent surveys the stranded passengers, pulls up every alternative flight with available capacity, and then one passenger at a time books them onto the best fit, step by step and reasoning out loud at every step. On each step, it juggles 5 hard constraints: cabin class match, group integrity, connection deadlines, special service requests like wheelchair assistance and unaccompanied minors, and loyalty status. And mid episode, we also inject stochastic events like seats vanishing or new special service requests appearing, deadline shifting, and so on, simulating the real world where multiple booking channels are competing for the same inventory simultaneously. We built 3 difficulty tiers: easy, medium, hard, varying in passenger count, capacity scarcity, and constraint density across thousands of seeded episodes. The agent gets 8 tools for surveying passengers, pulling flight availability, booking, unbooking, and finalizing. The reward operates in 2 layers. The first is the per step shaping rewards, which are injected back into the agent's chat history with explicit reasoning telling it why a booking earned plus 0.3 or why an opportunity cost penalty fired. That reasoning is the unlock. The model learns the structure of a good decision, not just a scalar. The terminal grader is a weighted composite across coverage, cabin match, group integrity, deadlines, and special service requests, along with cost and loyalty. That composite is the training signal, and it's what drives this loss curve, converging it from 0.91 to 0.07. That's the flight rebooking environment, an environment that lets you train an agent that thinks like a gate agent, only faster, much more optimally, and at scale.